Hi, welcome to another video from technary.com where we do gadgets and software reviews. And today we have got a new launch news. So this is the Shinko S43 UQLS 4K LED Smart TV launched. So having a large television set at your home is like a necessity. The Indian television brand Shinko has launched a new device into the Indian market. This is the Shinko S43 UQLS 4K LED Smart TV. Let us have a look at the features of this device. It is having a huge 43-inch Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 pixels of screen resolution. This is a smart TV. It has a custom interface which is based on Android 9. It has a lot of supported apps which includes ZEE5, Sony Live, Jio Cinema, Hotstar and Alt Balaji and many more. As per the company, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix and YouTube will also work on the TV. The Smart TV has 2 GB of RAM and comes with 16 GB storage for the apps. It is powered by A55 quad processor. The device is having two HDMI ports and two USB ports. There is also support for HDR up to HDR10 format. It has a rated audio output of 20 watt from the speakers. It supports DBX TV audio technology. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, which is useful to connect external wireless speakers and also headphones to this television set. The price, any guesses? It is having price of INR 20,999. So very budget friendly television set from the company Shinko. So if you want to purchase it, you can keep checking out the description below in the future. Also check out our Twitter feed and also follow us on our social media channels. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.